Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we got a very interesting email. It is from someone who has now created an OnlyFans as a source of side hustle income, as well as doing delivery driving, and on top of that they've created their own business after the video that I made the other day talking about looking at different ways to make income within your businesses. For example, when I worked for Razor, what I did, I saw that Razor was paying videographers to come to the skate park with us and film us, and I was like, man, if there's videos that I'm not in, maybe I can become the filmer of those videos. And it seems like April has done something very similar. So let's read this email. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys subscribe and also smash that like button. And if you guys have any questions for me that you guys want me to read on the channel, send them to my email down below. It's tannermarkleybusiness@gmail.com. Now let's jump into this email. Hey Tanner, my name is April. I enjoy watching your channel, and after one of your recent videos, I thought about some stuff on how I can create my own business. I already know there's going to be comments down below saying, see what you did, Tanner, you got someone to make an OnlyFans. I don't think that I was the person, I've never suggested to anyone to make an OnlyFans, but if that's something that you want to do, go for it. You know, I'm sure everyone knows the risks and of course the rewards that go involved in making an OnlyFans. Now, a lot of people, I know a good handful of people that have OnlyFans, and some of them make all the way up to $20,000 a month. But generally, those people already had like a gigantic social media following, and then they created an OnlyFans. And then I know a lot of people that make less than like $100 a month. So, anyways, let's continue. I enjoy watching your channel. Off one of your recent videos, thought about making some stuff on how I can create my own business and doing some of my own side hustles. I am currently a DoorDash driver and have been doing it for a few years, but 4 months ago I started an OnlyFans to create some kind of side hustle / passive income. After watching your video recently talking about creating businesses, I thought about my friends who also have OnlyFans, and I bought a camera and started filming their content. Currently, my main source of income is still delivery driving, but the OnlyFans has been growing and we're around $200 a month. With filming my friends, I've started creating about $500 extra a month filming them. Do you have any suggestions on other ways I can create new sources of income? And do you know of any delivery drivers that have OnlyFans or similar websites? Any advice is greatly appreciated. And thank you so much for all your tips and tricks videos. They greatly helped me out as a DoorDash driver to make more money, and I really appreciate the business content. April. So, very interesting email. First of all, do you guys know anyone who makes money on OnlyFans? Comment down below, and let's get maybe we can get an idea on what they make, if you guys know how much they make. I would say I think I probably have around 10 to 15 friends, and they make anywhere from $100. Most of them make around $100 to $1,000. And then I have a few friends that make like $5,000, and one of my friends makes $20,000 a month on OnlyFans. But what I do like is that she is looking at the OnlyFans business, which is a business if you actually treat it like a business. And there is a content creator, or like the videographer. Essentially, I'm not going to say it's like porn, but I also don't know. Some people do OnlyFans and they aren't taking photos of themselves naked. Some people do like art and music and stuff, and that was originally what OnlyFans was created for, and then it obviously turned into mostly nude photos and stuff. And I think when you think of OnlyFans, that's the branding that you think of it. But I do like the idea that she has implemented a new part of her business, and that's taking photos of her friends and helping them with the creative content stuff. So I always say this to people, buying a camera can be probably the best thing you've ever done. For me, that was like the best thing I ever did. Back in the day, I knew that if I bought a camera, not only is it a tax write-off, but I can start, it's like an asset where you can make money. Like you could do money doing OnlyFans, you can make your own content better. You can do wedding photography and all that kind of stuff. Everyone always needs a camera. So if anyone is looking out there for their first asset to buy or something, if you enjoy creating content, or just think about anything, you can create a lot of money by having a like high quality camera. Now, of course, nowadays you can pretty much do it with just an iPhone, but the quality on the camera is still a lot better. I like the fact that she looked into like the business of OnlyFans and implemented herself another place. Not only is she a content creator, but she's the person filming the content for the content creators, which I guess is still the content creator. I don't know. Anyways, I'm sure there's other ways of doing it as well. Like you could even be like an agent or like I don't know if there's sponsorship deals on OnlyFans, but there is also like you can implement yourself in the marketing aspect of it as well. Some people are going to yell at me in the comments for like helping someone with their OnlyFans business, but it is what it is. You know, I made a living as a professional scooter rider for a long time. I'm not gonna I don't look down on anyone for doing anything. Anyone can Joe Rogan always says this, you control your own destiny. So whatever you want to do for a living, like if you just continue to hammer down and like do things that you love, eventually the money is going to follow. And it kind of, I'm not saying like it's probably the greatest thing ever to be putting nude photos of yourself up online, but I do know there's other people who are DoorDash drivers. I think 2 or 3 people that follow me on Instagram that are also OnlyFans creators. And $200 a month, that's not bad, you know? That's not bad. I would say the only problem that I have with OnlyFans is people don't realize their body is like a dying asset, you know? There's only so long that people are going to want to see photos of you naked, or unless your content is constantly improving, then people are going to probably unsubscribe. Honestly, I've literally, on God, I have never gone on OnlyFans.com or anything like that. I just don't really know how it works, and I don't understand like what stops someone from just taking a screenshot of your photo and then sharing it on Instagram or something like that. But anyways, what I would probably suggest is like build your following on other platforms as well. I'm definitely realizing this on YouTube after kind of being shadow banned, that I want to like diversify and put my content on different platforms. Like if you guys haven't yet, check out my podcast that is now on Spotify and Apple iTunes. It's also on YouTube as well. It's called the Off Axis Podcast. You can click on that on the link down below. And I think just diversifying yourself and having many different streams of income is probably the safest route, because you never know, especially in OnlyFans. Like people can, one day they want to subscribe to you, next day they don't. You know, it's probably very up and down. Definitely a very interesting email. Let me know your guys' comments and thoughts down below. Would you guys ever start an OnlyFans? That's my question to you guys. Would you guys ever start an OnlyFans? And if someone already has an OnlyFans, what do you guys make? Like, I don't know. You don't have to share it, but I'm just very interested to see what people make on that website. Anyways, that concludes today's video. If you guys enjoy these videos at all, please consider subscribing and smash that like button for me. If you guys haven't yet, go to my website, offaxisathletics.com. Get yourself a pair of shoes. Support my business. I think supporting your friends' businesses is like something people need to do a lot more often. Everyone buys everything on Amazon, but you never know. Like a lot of your friends probably have their own small businesses. So supporting your friends, it's the way to go in my opinion. I always try to support my friends. Anyways, thank you guys for watching these videos. If you guys have any questions, put them down below. We will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.